Keeping your Ekodeck Designer Series deck looking great is a quick and easy process. Today, we'll be showing you how, in a few easy steps, you can clean your Designer Series boards to keep them looking as good as the day they were laid. While the Durashell coating resists most stains, we still recommend that any foreign substances be cleaned off the boards as quickly as possible to avoid any lasting staining or discoloration. First off, we'll start with our general clean process. For a general clean, you'll need a bucket, dishwashing liquid, a soft bristled indoor broom, a mop, and a squeegee. To start, mix the dishwashing liquid and warm water into the bucket. Then, gently scrub the boards along the grain with warm, soapy water using either a mop or a soft bristled indoor broom. Once you've given the boards a good scrub, rinse off the deck with the garden hose. The jet or fan spray is recommended. Make sure to rinse off any remaining dirty water. A squeegee can also be used to push off the excess water. Do not use a pressure cleaner on your Designer Series deck, as this could cause irreparable damage. A general clean should be enough to clean the majority of marks or stains on your deck. If you've got any stubborn stains, you may need to spot clean using a multi-purpose spray and wipe cleaner. If you have oil-based stains, which can be difficult to remove, you can use an aerosol car engine degreaser. Spray the affected area and lightly scrub with a microfiber cloth to remove the stain. Then follow up with a general clean to wash away the degreaser. You can find more information on cleaning your new deck on our website ekodeck.com.au.